In this video, we're going to walk through the MainWP Favorites Extension. This tool helps you save and manage your most frequently used plugins and themes so you can install them quickly across your child sites whenever you need. To get started, open your MainWP dashboard and go to Add-ons, then click on Favorites. Here you'll find two sections, one for plugins and one for themes. These lists will hold everything you've added to your favorites, making them easy to access later. Adding a plugin or theme to your favorites list is simple. Let's go through an example by adding a favorite plugin. Click the Add New button. To add a favorite, you can use a WordPress org URL or a custom URL where your plugin is stored. We will use a WordPress org URL for the video, so let's grab one. Unlike the WordPress org URL, the custom URL must point directly to the zip file, and they also must be publicly accessible. Once you've pasted the link, you have the option to give it a custom name. If you leave it blank, MainWP will automatically fetch the name from the plugin's metadata. Now click Save, and the plugin is added to your list. The same process applies when adding themes to your favorites. Once you've saved a few items, you can manage them right from the Favorites section. If you need to update the name or URL of an item, just click the pen icon to edit it. If you want to download the zip file to your computer, click the download icon. And if you no longer need an item, just click the trash icon to remove it from your list. Now let's install one of the favorite items to our child site. The process of installing favorite plugins and favorite themes is identical. For the purpose of this video, we'll focus on installing a favorite plugin. To do this, navigate to Sites, Plugins, Install Plugins. When the Favorites extension is installed, you will see a new Install Favorites button. Clicking on it will reveal a list of all the plugins you've saved. Simply select the ones you want to install. Choose the child sites where they should be installed, and then click Complete Installation. And that's all there is to it. With the MainWP Favorites extension, you don't have to search for and upload the same plugins and themes over and over again. Just save them once and install them whenever you need with just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more MainWP tips, and be sure to check one of our other videos next.